Namaste to all dear warrior science students. Here I am with a new video relating to become general 4th semester students, corporate accounting, internal reconstruction topic, one of the previous exam question which was asked in 2019 May June. Okay, so without wasting further more time, let us discuss this one. This is a simple question but not a regular question which you will see in internal reconstruction. So that is the twist over here, small twist, remaining is very easy. So let us discuss this twisted simple question. Twisted but simple. See, a company got permission from the court for its internal reconstruction as shown. Okay, so reduce the equity share capital. To reduce the equity share capital by rupees 1,50,000 and preference share capital by 50,000. This is the main point. See here, generally in internal reconstruction you will see old value rupees 10, new value reduced to rupees 5 are reduced by. Okay, see here in the next question you can see old value is rupees 10, but here it is reduced value of each equity share by rupees 5 they are saying. Like this old value new value concept will be there, but here in this case directly they are saying reduced equity share capital by rupees 1,50,000 and preference share capital rupees 50,000. So directly amount is given, directly how much it is reduced been given. So whenever they use the word by, you need to take that amount only. Okay, whenever they say to reduced to, okay, reduced to, if they say reduced to, you need to take difference between old value and new value. That is what will go to the reconstruction account when they say reduced to or reduced off. Okay, but whenever they say reduced by, okay, reduced by, whenever they say reduced by, that is the value which you need to take to the reconstruction account. That is the value will come under reconstruction account. So here equity share capital how much reduced? 1,50,000. Preference share capital reduced by 50,000. These are the comes under general entry. So directly there is no old and new concept. Equity share capital account generally will be having credit balance. When you need to reduce, we need to debit, because liabilities and capital generally will have credit balance. To reduce them we need to debit them. So equity share capital account debit. Okay, equity share capital account debit, preference share capital account debit, equity share capital 1,50,000. okay, 1,50,000 equity share capital and 50,000 preference share capital to reconstruction account. Together 2 lakh rupees you will take, okay, to the reconstruction account. That would be the first general entry. Next, what they are saying, to write off debit balance of P&L account, that is loss. Reduce plant and machinery by rupees by, whenever they say, that is the value which they are going to reduce. Furniture by rupees 5,000. So how much furniture will reduce? 5,000. Plant will reduce, plant and machinery 20,000. And write off the goodwill with the balance available. Please be careful whenever they say balance. So leftover balance will be transferred to which account? Goodwill account, so that they can reduce the goodwill, to write off the goodwill. So here we are having reconstruction account 1,50,000 and another 50,000, 2 lakhs. So with that what you will do, you will write like this general entry: reconstruction reconstruction account debit to debit balance of P&L to profit and loss account, because P&L account debit balance means we need to credit that account. So reconstruction account we are having 2 lakhs, to P&L account 75,000, and to plant and machinery account 20,000 we need to reduce, and to furniture 5,000, to balance means out of this 2 lakhs 25,000 plus 20,000, 95,000 plus 5,000, totally 1 lakh. So out of 2 lakhs, if these 3 you deduct, remaining balance will be for goodwill. So goodwill account remaining 1 lakh, because 2 lakhs minus this together 1 lakh is there. This will be your balancing figure to write off the goodwill. Okay, this is how you need to do. But what they are saying, write general entries for the above and show reconstruction account. Please remember, reconstruction account or capital reduction account or internal reconstruction account, they say you need to prepare the same. I am repeating, reconstruction account, capital reduction account are nothing but one and the same. So let us see the answer relating to it one by one. Here we are having the answer relating to question number 11A, May-June 2019. Journal entries on reconstruction of a company. General entries on reconstruction of a company. Okay, so see here, they said company, directly we are writing. Particulars will be general entries format. Date, if date is not there, you can write serial number. Particulars, debit in rupees, credit in rupees we wrote. And first general entry, equity share capital account debit, preference share capital account debit, directly we are writing 1,50,000, which have been said in the question to reduce. To reconstruction account, together 2 lakh rupees. Being as per reconstruction scheme, equity share capital account and preference share capital reduced as per reconstruction scheme. This is what we need to write for the internal reconstruction journal entry. And this is only the twist. Generally you will be getting equity share capital account debit old, preference share capital account debit old, to new equity share capital, to new preference share capital, to reconstruction, like that you will write. But here directly amounts have been given, so that is why we are writing like this. This is only the change in the question. Twist यही है, बाकी सब simple है. That is why I said ఇది ఒక్కటే చిన్న ట్విస్ట్ అమ్మా, అందుకే ఏమన్నాం మనం twisted yet simple question. What we call in movies, there will be some thrill element. If you know that thrill element, remaining movie will be very simple one, like that. Here also in this. So let us see the next general entry. Here you can see in reconstruction account we are having 2 lakhs that will be debited in next general entry. So see the next general entry, what they are saying. In the next general entry they are saying reconstruction account debit 2 lakhs, to profit and loss account 75,000, to machinery 20,000, to furniture 5,000. These have been given in the question to reduce, and balance with the goodwill to write off. So balance is how much? 75 plus 20, 95, 95 plus 5, 1 lakh. From 2 lakhs, if you deduct all these things, remaining 1 lakh will be used for writing of goodwill account. So same we need to write in the narration also. Being as per reconstruction scheme, profit and loss account debit balance written off, and plant and machinery, furniture reduced, balance used for writing of goodwill. This is what you need to write in the narration. Hope you are understanding. Let us see the reconstruction account also. They said to prepare reconstruction account. So reconstruction account debit, credit, date, date is not given. So particulars amount in rupees, particulars amount in rupees, debit side, credit side. And go to the first general entry. In first general entry, reconstruction account is what? Reconstruction account is credited. So you need to write credit side by equity share capital, by preference share capital. Okay, so let us write those things in the reconstruction account. See here, in the reconstruction account, by equity share capital 1,50,000, by preference share capital 50,000 we are writing. And see the next general entry. In the second general entry, it is reconstruction account debit to profit and loss account 75,000, to plant and machinery 20,000, to furniture 5,000, to goodwill 1 lakh with the balancing figure. So let us write those things in the reconstruction account debit side. So reconstruction account debit side, to P&L account 75,000, to plant and machinery 20,000, to furniture 5,000, and to goodwill balancing figure 1 lakh. So that both the sides it will get tally with the 2 lakh. Here ends the answer. One more important point I want to tell you all is that, see, in this question they said balance you use for writing of goodwill. If nothing like that said, and there is a balance, okay, there is balance in reconstruction or capital reduction. यहाँ पे अच्छा नहीं आ रहा, understand the handwriting. Reconstruction or capital reduction account, balance is there. That balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. Where it should be transferred? Capital reserve. If nothing is given in the question, okay, and there is a balance in reconstruction account or capital reduction, okay, which account? Capital reserve. If nothing is said, okay, balance in internal reconstruction or capital reduction will be transferred to reconstruction account. So hope you have understood this one. My goodness, where it's gone. Hope you have understood this answer. So here is the question. If anyone wants to, okay, subscribe, please subscribe the channel for the further information. Like karo, share karo, so that we can, if we have 1,000 subscribers, we can have online live class and live I can clarify your doubts etc. So subscribe करो, like करो, share करो, सब तक ये वीडियो पहुंचा दो. Thank you. जय हिंद.